and the relative humidity 66%. The wind was southwest at 13 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.07 inches and steady. Across eastern Nebraska, skies ranged from mostly sunny to partly sunny, and temperature. Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning Alarm System. This has been Brian Miller.